Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please support the channel by liking and subscribing to the channel for more educative content. In 2026, having only one source of income is one of the biggest financial risks you can take, and you are still one paycheck away from financial trouble. Many people work hard every single day. Meanwhile, others are quietly building multiple income streams and sleeping better at night. The goal is not to work yourself to death. The goal is to build systems that pay you from different directions. In this video, I'll show you 5 income streams everyone should build in 2026. These are realistic, proven, and beginner-friendly. Let's get into it. The first income stream everyone must build is skill-based income. If you have a valuable skill, you can always make money. In 2026, digital skills are in very high demand because businesses want results, not certificates. This is the foundation. Some high-paying skills include video editing, script writing, graphic design, social media management, website creation, online advertising, AI-assisted content creation. The beauty of skill income is speed. You can learn a skill online, practice it, and start earning within months, sometimes even weeks. You don't need to be the best, you just need to be useful. Skill income gives you cash flow, and cash flow gives you freedom to build other income streams. Never underestimate one good skill. The second income stream is online business income. This is where scalability and multiplication begins. Unlike skill income, where you trade time for money, an online business allows you to build systems that work for you even while you sleep. Examples include faceless YouTube channels, affiliate marketing websites, digital product stores, and automation-based content pages. But once the system is built and optimized, income can grow without increasing your working hours. Online businesses give you leverage. The third income stream everyone needs is investment income. Working alone will never make you truly wealthy. Investment income comes from index funds, dividend-paying stocks, mutual funds, real estate partnerships, small business investments. You don't need to start big. Consistency matters more than size. Small amounts invested regularly can grow into powerful wealth over time. This income stream rewards patience and discipline. While skill and business income may fluctuate, investments provide stability. The fourth income stream is AI-powered or automation income. Artificial intelligence is not just a trend, it's a major shift. People who learn how to use AI effectively can produce more work in less time and earn more than ever before. This is a groundbreaking. AI can help you run faceless content channels, create digital products faster, automate customer support, marketing campaigns, and manage multiple projects at once. This income stream is powerful because it multiplies your effort. You are no longer limited by hours or energy. You don't need to be technical. You just need to be curious and willing to learn. In 2026, those who work with AI will earn more than those who compete against it. The fifth income stream is passive or semi-passive income. This is income that continues even when you are not actively working. Examples include digital products like ebooks and templates, affiliate commissions, royalties, dividend income, content monetization. Most passive income is not truly passive at the beginning, but over time it becomes easier to maintain and it gives you peace of mind. Even small passive income can reduce financial stress and give you flexibility. The goal is not laziness, the goal is freedom. How these 5 streams work together. Here's the smart strategy. Use skill income to generate fast cash. Use that cash to build online business. Reinvest profits into investments. Use AI to scale everything. Let passive income grow quietly in the background. This is how average people build strong financial lives. Not overnight, but permanently. In 2026, security does not come from one job. Security comes from multiple income streams. You don't need all 5 at once. Start with one, build it, then add another. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more real strategies on making money and financial freedom. Comment below, which income stream are you building first? See you in the next video. Love you.